Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to explain you and give you a video about the uh, deep fake. What is the deep fake and what we can do with the deep fake, and what are the tools we can use for this that kind of information. Today I will give to you. Before that, I will tell you this is a education purpose only video, so don't use this manipulate anything. If you are doing that kind thing, you have to, I don't know what other below and thing. So you have to just keep it in mind. Let's start with the what is the deep fake. So deep fake is meaning uh, we can manipulate some video, something, image or voice. So that is the deep fake. So basically, we can replace someone's face with the someone else's face. Also, we can lip sync. That means we get some video and we write some script, and that video will embed with that, so that people saying what we are typing, what are our script. So the another one is voice cloning. Voice cloning means we can replace someone voice with, or we can use someone voice read the our own script. So that are they are those are the basic categorize the deepfake concept. So let's start with the one tool. I will give you one, two, three some kind tools. So this is my first tool. This tool you can find this basically lip sync. You saw that man is saying, not actually he said, this is the lip sync. So this, you see, he's saying something else. So first you can click on this. I will put that in also. Click on the Google Cloud account and you can find the total script. You just want to. So in this tool, you have to run the one by one step 1, 2, 3. So first you run this script and then lip sync YouTube video. You can paste the what do you have your video link in here as per this like this. So then you choose the start point and end point. Keep it in mind so that duration will be very short. Otherwise, this will take long time or something error. So after that, you have to put the your wave file. That means MP3 file. What you are saying. So after that, you run this step 4. Then it will create that video in here. So this is a simple thing. You can run that code and you can see the what happening. Also, you can upload your own video in here from your OneDrive or something. After that, same thing, audio, then run the script, final script. So then you can get the video. You can download also it from the this thing. I'm not going to run this in the now because of it still take some time and something. So you can find this URL from my description. So use it and create the experience that concept. Also, the second one is my deep fake. This is the basically image sweep. That means you can sweep the face. You see in here, this is the example. See, it's, the one thing we have to consider in this using this tool, we have some computer power. That means GPU and computer power. So otherwise, this will not working perfectly because again in some error that extra tools working with this dependencies. So that can go ahead and that kind of other things working with need to as a work this perfectly. So I will put that link also in here. You can also go to these YouTube uh, channels and find this information. There are a lot of information in their videos. So you can find the how to install that and that kind of thing. If there any issue with the installation, so you can contact me. I have a fiber gig for the installation for this tool, so you can order that over. So contact me. I will tell you how to install this, and I will charge a small amount. So the second one is this is also face sweeping. You can find here. This is also. Now next we have. This is also good tool. This you will going to download everything explained in here. Also, I am reminding you, you need some computer power if you are going to run these tools in your own computer. So that's the only thing you have to consider. Otherwise, this is after the installation. It's so I reminding you, I have a gig and you can order how to install these tools in your computer. So next one is we will see now we can see this is also face sweep tool. This is also now we can look at the voice cloning. This is the also voice cloning app we can use for this is the stable diffusion in the stable. It's working on the stable diffusion. So I have also gig for the install how to install and work with the stable diffusion. You can find my link in gig URL in the description. So order I will install stable diffusion for you. So text to video kind. Also we have some text to video animate here. I drag an animation. This is the AI clone voice clone application also. So I will put this URL in the description. You can find and try to install in your computer and then work with them. So that is the I want to tell you about this tool. Also one tool I have, it's called face sweep. Those are the tools also. And this is the also tool face sweep face. You can find it sweep face. I think this is this is the tool. This is also this is no need high power in computer. You can download and install it simply, and free for the 15 to 16 video I think, also images. So this is the same tool you can find. See, you can replace the face. See here also another video.
And use them in your.
See, can upload our own place and do the some changes.
Welcome the face swap video.
Replacing it easy. You can download and try it in your own computer. So this is the basic things I can find you. There are a lot of tools for the online tools for the voice cloning deepfaking, but problem is those are have some subscription or paid those that kind thing. So basically, I'm telling you, you can try to install these script, GitHub script in your computer and try it out, because of it's hard to some code in not a coding, but it will give you some good result with your final product. So this is the whole thing about today video. I think you are going to try out this thing and make some entertainment video and put in the TikTok or something like that. So platform. So I think if there are any question for you, please comment and ask me. I will help you regarding this. So if you are anything want to tell me, so give me a comment, and what you need to learn or what you need to know, please comment. I will reply or create video for it uh, as soon as possible. That I think I'm telling you guys about, this is education purpose only, so keep it in mind. And also come to the AI world and try out these tools, install, and I think after that you get the experience for regarding this, and then you can create new things and content easily and that kind thing. So that's it, guys. So uh, I will back with the another video regarding the AI tools again as soon as possible. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and keep in touch. Okay, guys. Good day. Bye.